Got a bunch of updates regarding the RTX 50 series, but this time it's going to be for the laptop versions of that graphics cards. There was also a bunch of new games announced that I wanted to share with you, specifically the new Black Ops title. Look, I have not played Call of Duty since Advanced Warfare, so when I say I think this game looks pretty cool, I think it should mean something because it has been a very long time since I played that game. There is a couple of very small things like this right here. I just thought that this was super cool and unique. Asus designed some sort of like PC console, but I'm going to close that out because I don't really need to say much more than that. And then Be Quiet ended up announcing a couple of a new case where you can basically use it like in any angle that you want. Normal, you can lay it flat down on its side, you can flip it upside down, you can convert it, like flip it, and it's just, I think that that's super cool, but I'm going to close it out because that is really the only thing I need to say about that. Real quick, just wanted to say that if you would like a PC from me, my Facebook business page is linked down in the description below. I do not charge you anything other than the cost of parts, which I do in fact give you a full list of everything with the final cost before I order it all with my own money. You do not pay me anything until you see the video, the performance, the benchmarks, and all of that kind of stuff. So again, link down in the description below. But the first thing that we're going to be covering here is the NVIDIA GeForce RTX 50 laptop series launching in 2025 with 16 gigabytes of VRAM, 12 gigabytes of VRAM, and then 8 gigabytes of VRAM. But the cool thing about this is that it is GDDR7 VRAM. So it's nice to get a confirmation that the new RTX 50 series of graphics cards is going to be getting GDDR7 memory inside of it. How much of a performance increase that actually takes place across the board, I'm fully aware that we're going to be getting that 40 to 70% performance increase, but you also need to remember that that's when they say that there's going to be that 40 to 70% increase, that's definitely not like across the board. That's going to be for specific areas, and as far as I'm concerned, I'm going to take a wild guess that that is probably going to be in the areas with things like path tracing, AI, ray tracing, DLSS, and that kind of stuff. I just can't see the RTX 50 series of graphics cards gaming being 70% faster because the RTX 4090 is already incredibly fast. And I also want to clear something up that I said the other day because I'm sure you guys were able to look at all those numbers. If you didn't, I'm gonna get talking here, so here you go. You can go ahead and whatever look at the numbers. But the other day when I said the 14900 and the 4090 inside of games is right around the 200 FPS mark. That's true. I'm not playing broken games. I'm not playing Starfield when it first launches, and nobody with the highest end computer can get over 60 frames per second. Same thing for Cyberpunk 2077. I'm not buying broken games just to hop on the hype train. You feel me? So, anyways, let's go ahead and move on to the next article here about Call of Duty Black Ops 6 showcasing the full trailer, which is what you are seeing right here. This is what the trailer is. And I want to say something because the reason this has me so excited is because, dude, this is like some parkour type stuff. This is like a parkour, very like cool. You ready for this? Everybody's going to laugh. It's basically a game that takes less skill because I can move around quicker and I don't have to like aim as good as the other guy aiming at me. I'll admit it. I don't care. I'm terrible at first-person shooter games. So being able to jump around, I'm not a competitive gamer. I like to play single-player games. I like to play retro stuff and all of that. You know, I'm not really into this like competitive first-person shooter type of stuff. But it's going to have multiplayer, all brand new maps. There's going to be 2 new zombie things inside of the game. I've never been that big. I should actually try zombies because I've only played it in, was it Ghosts? Call of Duty Ghosts. I'm being serious. I haven't played Call of Duty since Advanced Warfare. It has been a very long time. So just at least take that into consideration when I say that this game looks fun. That is definitely not me hyping on the Call of Duty hype train. This right here, rumors suggest AMD Ryzen 9000X 3D is launching sooner than expected. If we come down here, the Computex Shore, okay, so it's coming in, it's September of 2024. That's really all I need to say to you guys. I don't really need to talk much more about that. Other game that I think looks pretty cool and interesting that I wanted to share with you guys, I'm going to go ahead and mute this audio, is the new Gears of War E-Day. What I'm going to do right now is I'm going to go ahead and open this in a new tab. I'm going to bring it up on over here to this monitor. I'm going to close out the Black Ops 6 gameplay. And I'm going to go ahead and put up in the Gears of War gameplay. And then we're going to go swap over to Gears of War. Pretty dope, right? Pretty sweet. I'm super good at editing in real time. Epic. So, next article is the AMD 7950X 3D dropping to $499 for the first time. And then the 7800X 3D is only $340. This is a pretty nice price drop, but literally the other article we just went over, the reason the price is dropping is because the new CPUs are literally coming out in a couple of months. So I personally would not end up getting one of these CPUs. That is just my personal opinion. These are still incredible CPUs. The 7800X 3D is the best CPU for gaming on the market right now. So just keep that in mind, that if you do get one of these new CPUs, the new hardware is going to be coming out very shortly, and unfortunately, they're going to go down even more in price. So I would end up waiting. So the next article is Computex 2024 AI exhibit. Gigabyte wants you to create new horizons and shape the future with your own hands. I thought this was interesting. It's not like nothing newsworthy. It's not like anything super big or massive, but I do think it's kind of cool, and I wanted to share it. Gigabyte's AI exhibition, 4 season of experience is being AI has me super interested. All right, here we go. So like you get these like AI characters, you can talk into your microphone, bro, and they talk back to you. Like this is some AI girlfriend type stuff. Look, if it feels the same, I don't really care. Just kidding, by the way. I mean, I don't know, dude. I don't know. I've never banged the robots. So I don't know, but I'm guessing we're all going to try it at some point in our lives. We're getting pretty close to it. But anyways, all right. Some people do it with blow-up dolls. What's worse, a robot or a blow-up doll? You tell me. But anyways, I forgot to hit the loop button. But I just thought this was interesting. No filters on my mouth, boys. I'll say what's on my mind. AMD Ryzen 9600X 864 cache test confirms increased L1 and L2 bandwidth. So this is for the AMD Ryzen 9000 series. Again, unless you really want me to stretch out this video longer than it needs to be, that's really all I need to end up saying. But I am going to go ahead and show you guys all of this data really quickly. So this is the first thing. It says, please note. No. I'm not. This is all gibberish to me. This doesn't make much sense to me because it's not normal. I mean, the memory. Yeah, this is too much information for my potato brain to take in. So this over here I can understand. So you get the core speed, we get the multiplier, we get the bus speed, we get the L1, level 2 and 3. This processor. All right, this stuff down here I don't understand. But this right here, this makes sense to me. But then this is one I don't understand. Okay, so that other one was, so basically it's 2 times as fast, pretty much, in simple terms, is basically what I want to say. And then if we come, we come down here. So we got all these, we got the CPU cores, we got the max clock, we got the L2 and L3 cache, we got the iGPU. I hate it how I always forget to scroll all the way down to the video cards website because they do this in every single article. Dude, something flew in my eyeball and it hurts really bad. But anyways, let's go over to the next article. And this is every single game trailer announced at the 2024 PC gaming show. Now bear with me because we're not watching every single one of these. I'm just being real with you. Among the Wild. This has been announced. This was announced a long time ago. Oh, wait. This ain't the same game. Oh, this is like a, what's that Pokemon type game there? You guys know what I'm talking. I'm gonna close this out because it's gonna annoy me. All right, that Pokemon game that just came out. I have a brain fart. I can't think of it. So then we got Starbirds. Hello. Oh my God, I'm definitely not. Actually, let's, because I do like these types. Oh yeah, I'm definitely not playing that game. All right, what's this one? Oh, see, this is my type of stuff. See, I like this type of stuff. Oh, you got wrecked, bro. All right, so we come down here. We'll go to this one. I can pause that. I don't want too much memory being taken up. All right, so we come down over here. Yeah, this is my cup of tea as well. I don't know about that. I'm not into the slower paced ones. Oh, this looks cool. Oh, yo, this looks cool. Oh my God, it's like Streets of Rampage. Oh, all my Sega bros, you know what I'm talking about. Oh, yo, this looks, I'm going to take a screenshot of this. I hope my video editor didn't just get corrupted. Yo, this looks really cool. Streets of Rogue. Oh my God, it's literally it. I'm an idiot. That's just me though. You know what I mean? The computer science stuff is still stuff I'm really learning. And unfortunately with my mind, it's very hard for me to learn all the friggin' numbers. So I gotta, whatever. Got a ways to go with that stuff. But I'll go ahead and catch you guys in the next one. Peace.